surprise. Good morning. Alright. 10 days. 10 days to the surgeon. Morning, surgeon. 10 days to go. Morning, surgeon. Have a blessed day. Aray ko. How are you po? Overthinking today, no? No overthinking. No overthinking. Why? Why you need to overthinking? Something wrong? Not yet good? Not yet good. Are you awake yet po? Yes. I'm awake po na, surgeon. You always overthinking, that's why. Ah, okay. No overthinking. Gerardo Flores, stand up. Stand up. So maybe he can give me $1. Sir John, how are you, Sir John? Should made him pay 100 to stand. Pay me because I stand. The game, John. The game. Hi, BB man. That's why Mike broken. Mike. That's why Mike going broken with beer tub. Okay. Hello. Thank you for likes. Alright. I'm good, Fred. You okay? Good morning, James Round. Hello, beautiful Greg Fane. I'm doing fine, thank you. Hi, Paul Zino. Joe and Chris. Hi po. Good morning. Wait.
Dayo na.
Wait po. Oh my god, I have to go. Po, see you guys. Thank you, Sir John. Hey, John. Hey, Joe, Chrissy. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Joe and Chrissy. Advance. Congratulations. Hello, Sir Ben. Hi, Kevin. I'm fine, Sir John and Chris. Your name is Kate. Kate. Thank you for joining, everyone. Hi to the bomb. Wait lang. Wait, Han. Like and share. Thank you, Sir Ben. 10 days for 10 days 4.5 hours, my love. Wow, where is Bully Man? Oh my god, where is Bully Man? Thank you, hon. Wait lang. Wait. Thank you. Hi, Sir Bell. I catch her later. Thank you, Sir Bell, for joining. Hi, Yuluga, Mugulyon. Lucas Paz, hello. Hi, Ben and Twinsities from Mike. Thank you so much for joining. You're always welcome from Sir Ben. Elias Francisco, hi. Sir Chester Hexon, thank you so much for joining. How are you, Sir Chester? Thank you po. Good morning, Loudly Cheryl. Thank you. Super chat and suppers and membership available comments or features. So be respectful, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, my love. How was your sleep, Mrs. Overthinker? Mrs. Overthinker. My sleep is good. Mrs. Overthinker. Wrong, Alec. Baku. Ba. Bakunav. Hirap. Where are you from? Baku. Thank you, malong na ko. 10 days, 4 hours, 12 minutes. 10 days. 10 days. Oh my God. Hot na. Days. Gulay. Days to go. Dere dagasa. Eko na dere dagasa. Tatro na lang. Ha? Tatro na lang. Tatro na naman ulit. Thank you so much for joining. God bless everyone. Good morning. Hi, Cigar. Like, subscribe, turn on notification bell. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Rob. Where are you from? Gary. Hi, Gary. You look so beautiful. Your face is glowing. My face is glowing. Really? You're in love with me now? Are you in love with me? Mike? Hi, show. Show mo mukha. Double tap. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Rob. I need to translation. Siya ma-translate.
Ay, papalos. Eh, ano na aking sabi? Sabi ko, kalimutan ko lang.
You in love the small girl, the petite, too slim. Hello, hi, Kevin Mykano. Hello, Gorgeous. Cheryl, how have you been, my friend? Um, I'm fine, something like that. The kisses your lips and the lips. Thank you, Rob. Super chat, super stickers and membership are available. Please click $sign. Thank you. Hi, Jose. Jose. Cheryl is in love. I'm so much in love. I'm in love with a person having a sense of humor, sincere, having a genuine heart, respectful, and then respectful, and then supportive one. What else? Sweet. Meow. Galing gumili. Handsome, maybe, yeah. The handsome. Yes, the handsome. Wait, I need to take a call. Wait. Sorry. PayPal. Ah, thank you, Rob. Yes, if anyone send supporting, sending something like that, I have a PayPal. Sure. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Rob. Where are you from, Rob? Super chat, super stickers, membership are also available. Everyone, thank you, Sir Ben. New Zealand. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Rob from New Zealand. Behind you, one Philippine eagle. Behind you. Uh-uh. Oh shit, Mike is here. Yes, my mic is here. Shit. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh shit, the body man is here. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Thinking he is in handsome. Yes, he are. He's handsome, Sir Fred. He's handsome. I'm in love with a handsome man. I was first one here, Mike. Maybe Mike is sleeping. That's why. Just been doing things. Always sleeping. Always sleeping. Hi ganda. Hi GB Gamer. Always sleeping. Always sleeping. GB Gamer, hello. Thank you so likes. Hawak mo, bit. Mike, she's not overthinking today. Sir Fred, he calling me Mrs. Overthinker. Yeah. I was working on packing mostly things for Cheryl. Very little soon. Very little room for my things. Haha. Hi Walter Francine. Everyone in chat for being here and hanging with the host. She appreciates you and your time. Please remember to like and please be respectful to us. Oh, thank you so much, Rob. Thank you, Pastor Rob. God bless. Well, being a suitcase also. Yeah. Hawak mo ang pit. Nagutot ako. What's your name? My name is Sheryl. My name is Sheryl. Cheryl, wala wala. I'm here hanging around for Mike, not the host. Ah, okay. Hello, so beautiful. Thank you, FP. Joking, Cheryl. It's fine. No worries, Sir Fred. Anytime, my friend. Thank you, Sir Rob. God bless. The world better. Slow up. One, something like that. She's 22. Oh my god. How old are you? Oh my god, she's 22. 41. 41. Edward, how old are you? Raka. Hi, Raka. 22. You're beautiful. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. I feel beautiful because I'm in love. I'm in love. The red flag man. He's the red flag. No. Green flag, sorry. Green. No, not red. Oh my god. He's the green flag. No red. Edward is taken. Yes. I'm taken. That's wholesome. I'm glad you're in love. Yes. Thank you. Hello, baby. Hi, Silicus, Brazil. Okay, thank you from Brazil. I love you, baby. Ti amo. Ti amo. Ciao from Bonnie from Italy. Thank you for joining. Coffee. Rob, coffee. You are very beautiful. Thank you. Diamond, nice. I'll go care. Beautiful. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Sir Rob. Coffee. Coffee po, Sir Rob. Marry me, let's... No, I'm getting married with someone, not you. Sorry. Dadang! No, go! Fred. Wednesday, it was 82, today 30 and snowing. What the fuck? I can't wait to get it out of here. Have 3 months worth of groceries and drinking water ready at home before April. Gab? Si Tito Gab, nag-school si Tito Gab. Kiss mo, Wawa. Kiss Wawa. One more.
Daddy.
Daddy, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? sir. Tapos mo ba? One more. Putol ka na. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir Rob. Beautiful show. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ben. Double tap on screen to like, comment, subscribe, support, and share this channel. Thank you, Sir Ben. Hi, Gabi Montano. Agus Joan. Good morning. Hey, Ben, what all that food for? Yes. Hi, Sir Donnie. Donnie, welcome. Super chat, super stickers. And membership are also available, everyone. Thank you, Sir Ben. Gabby Montano, hello. Hey, Donnie. James Figueroa, hello. What time is it now? Ah, I need to. Oh my god. I need to. I need to go to home. I to go to work. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Hope to see you again. Bye bye. Love you all. Don't be when you dance. Loosen up. Huh? Shout out from Bulacan, Misamor, Pampanga. Hi, Gabi Montana from Pampanga. Thank you. See you later. Thank you, Sir Rob. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye for now. See you later. Thanks. See you next live. Bye bye. I have two daughters. Best thing that ever happened to me. Are you married? Yes. I'm getting married soon. Not yet now, but soon.